Hi, hello dear students, welcome to our channel Maths with Panindra. In this video, we are going to discuss about product of vectors example problems before exercise 5A. So let us have a discussion. The first question here, if A bar equal to 6i plus 2j plus 3k and B bar equal to 2i minus 9j plus 6k, then find A bar dot B bar and the angle between them. So dot product here, dot product of two vectors they are asking to find. First step, what you have to write, given vectors. So A bar equal to 6i plus 2j plus 3k. This you have to compare with, just I am writing, in exam no need to write, for your understanding purpose I am writing A1i plus A2j plus A3k, and second vector B bar equal to 2i minus 9j plus 6k. So B bar equal to B1i plus B2j plus B3k. So they are asking to find the dot product of two vectors. Here, dear students, A bar equal to A1i plus A2j plus A3k, B bar equal to B1i plus B2j plus B3k, then the dot product can be written as A bar dot B bar equal to, so I bar dot I bar value 1, no? So if you do that, A1 into B1, I bar coefficients you have to multiply. According to this I am telling dear students, A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. So this is called dot product of these two vectors. So here also that only we are going to apply, dear students. So first A bar dot B bar they are asking, no? So A bar dot B bar is equal to A1 value 6, A2 value 2, A3 value 3. Similarly, B1 value 2, B2 value minus 9, B3 value 6. So apply this formula. A1 B1 means 6 into 2 plus 2 into minus 9 plus 3 into 6. So 6 2s are 12, 9 2s are minus int is there, minus 18 plus 18. So plus 18 minus 18 get cancelled, 12 is there. This is the value of A bar dot B bar. So A bar dot B bar value we got it. Next, they are asking to find angle between them. So to calculate the angle between the two vectors, we have formula now. So cos theta equal to A bar dot B bar by mod A bar into mod B bar. So for that we need to calculate the magnitude of these vectors. So first vector A bar is there now. We will write it as mod A bar equal to. So mod A bar, the magnitude of vectors we already discussed in the previous videos. If mod A bar equal to A1i plus A2j plus A3k, then mod A bar is root over A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. So according to that we can write it as 6 square plus 2 square plus 9. So root 49, which is equal to 7. Similarly B bar, mod B bar equal to 2 square, that means 4, plus 9 square, minus 9 whole square is 81, plus 6 square 36. So 36 plus 4, 40, 40 plus 81, 21, 121. So root 121 means what? 7. So these values, a bar dot b bar value, we got it now already. So a bar dot b bar value is 12 divided by mod a bar value is 7, mod b bar value is 11. That is equal to 12 by 77. This is the value of cos theta, but they are asking to calculate angle between them, no. That implies theta equal to cos inverse of 12 by 77. So this is the way you can get that. Two questions are there, dear students, in this. One is find a bar dot b bar, and after that another one is cos theta. So here doubt will arise. Sir, why only you are calculating, find the angle between them means only cos theta, why not sin theta? You can calculate. Generally, we will calculate angle between them means any two lines or any two vectors, we will calculate cos theta. Let us have a discussion. The question number 2 in that example. If a bar equal to I bar plus 2j bar minus 3k bar and b bar equal to 3i minus j plus 2k, then show that a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar are perpendicular to each other. To show that the given vectors to be perpendicular, we need to prove their dot product is 0. That's what. So first step is given vectors a bar equal to I plus 2j minus 3k and b bar equal to 3i minus j plus 2k. What they are asking to prove? They are asking to prove the two vectors a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar with these two vectors to be perpendicular. So what I am doing is, let p bar equal to sum of the vectors a bar plus b bar. So adding corresponding I bar, j bar, k bar. I bar plus 3i bar. So 4i bar. Directly I am writing to students. 2j minus j. So plus j will come. Minus 3k plus 2k. So minus k. So this is the vector of a bar plus b bar. And q bar equal to a bar minus b bar. So one vector is subtracting to another vector. I bar minus 3i bar. So minus 2i bar. 2j bar minus of minus 2j plus j. So plus 3j. Minus 3k minus 2k minus 5k. So our aim is the dot product of p bar and q bar equal to 0. Then the vectors a bar plus b bar and a bar minus b bar vectors to be perpendicular. Now consider p bar dot q bar. So dot product of two vectors means I already explained in the previous question. Their I bar coefficients you have to multiply a1 b1. So here also according to that 4 into minus 2 plus 1 into 3. Next minus 1 into minus 5. So 4 into minus 2 minus 8. 1 into 3 3. Minus 1 into minus 5 plus 5. So minus 8 plus 8. So which is equal to 0. So p bar dot q bar is equal to 0. That implies p bar vector is perpendicular to q bar. What is p bar vector? We assumed that is a bar plus b bar vector is perpendicular to a bar minus b bar. Hence proved. This is the way we can do this, students. First, calculated a bar plus b bar, sum of two vectors. Next, difference of two vectors. Sum of two vectors is p, difference of two vectors is q. After that, we consider dot product. If you prove the dot product is 0, then obviously the given vector has to be perpendicular. Now question number 3. They are asking to find the angle between them when condition is available. So what condition is there here? Mod A bar plus B bar equal to mod A bar minus B bar. So according to the steps, given A bar B bar are given A bar and B bar be non-zero vectors, non-zero and non-collinear vectors. Next, given that mod A bar plus B bar is equal to mod A bar minus B bar. Next, squaring on both sides. So what happens? Mod A bar plus B bar whole square is equal to mod A bar minus B bar whole square. Here we know that mod A bar square means we can write as A bar dot A bar. By using this property, mod A bar plus B bar whole square means A bar plus B bar into A bar plus B bar, dot product of these two is equal to A bar minus B bar dot A bar minus B bar. So actual multiplication here, A bar dot A bar means we will get it as bar dot A bar plus A bar dot B bar plus B bar dot A bar plus B bar dot B bar equal to A bar dot A bar. Next minus into minus, here it will become minus na, minus A bar dot B bar minus B bar dot A bar, minus into minus plus B bar dot B bar. So both sides cancel. So A bar dot A bar, A bar dot B bar, B bar dot A bar, both are same. So it will be 2 A bar dot B bar is equal to, here also, minus 2 A bar dot B bar. That we can take this side, 2 A bar dot B bar plus 2 A bar dot B bar equal to 0. That we are taking this in. So that means 4 times of A bar dot B bar equal to 0. 4 also we can take this side. That implies A bar dot B bar equal to 0. Whenever the dot product is 0 in the last equation also, what we said, the two vectors are perpendicular. That is, A bar is perpendicular to B bar. Therefore, conclusion, angle between A bar and B bar is 90 degrees. I hope you understand, students. We'll move on to the next question. Next question number 4 is, here the next question, if mod A bar is equal to 11, mod B bar equal to 23 and mod A bar minus B bar is equal to 30, then find the angle between the vectors A bar comma B bar, and also find modulus of A bar plus B bar. Here's the question. This is a good question. It will come for 4 marks. You may expect the exams. It's a good question, dear students. So what conditions are given? Given information, I'll write it first. Given that mod A bar equal to 11, mod B bar equal to 23, and mod A bar minus B bar is equal to 30. This information is given. So find the angle between the vectors A bar and B bar they are asking. So for that what we have to do, let theta be the, theta or A, anything you can take, alpha also can take, be the angle between A bar and B bar. So therefore, angle between A bar and B bar, it is there now. So for this, squaring on both sides, if you do that, so squaring on both sides means it will become mod A bar minus B bar whole square. So 30 square means 900. So this is mod A bar square minus 2 into A bar dot B bar plus mod B bar square is equal to 900. Since we have mod A bar equal to 11 and mod B bar equal to 23, it is the given information only, dear students. So just I am writing. So 11 square, that means 121 minus 2 into, here A bar dot B bar, once again I will write that A bar dot B bar formula, A bar dot B bar equal to mod A bar into mod B bar into cos of angle between A bar comma B bar. So that's what I am going to write here. So mod A bar into mod B bar cos of angle between A bar and B bar. What we assume that here, let theta be the angle between A bar and B bar. That means A bar comma B bar angle is equal to theta. So in place of that, theta plus mod B bar square, 23 square. What is 23 square? 23 square is 529. So 23 square 529 is equal to 900. So 121 minus 2 into 11 into 23 into cos theta plus 529 is equal to 900. So 121 plus 5, so 650 minus 2 into 11 into 23 into cos theta is equal to 900. Now what I am doing is, so 650 minus 900, how much it will be? 250. Am I right? So that also better to write here step by step. 650 minus 900 is equal to 2 into 11 into 23 into cos theta. So that implies that this is 650 minus 900 is minus 250 is equal to 2 into 11 into 23 into cos theta. So that implies, so 250 divided by this 2 into 11 into 123 is, the value is 253, is equal to cos theta. So 2 ones, 2 125s. So therefore cos theta value is equal to minus 125 by 253. Whenever cos value we are getting negative value, generally what we can write is, from inverse trigonometry, cos theta is equal to, no, so theta is equal to cos inverse of minus 125 by 253. If you remove this minus, what we can write is pi minus cos inverse of 125 by 253. Even we can write like this also. So find angle between them, it is over. But they are asking, and also find mod a bar plus b bar in the question. Mod a bar plus b bar they are asking. So for that what we have to do, the steps is, now consider mod a bar plus b bar whole square, you take it. After that you can take the square root, it will be a bar plus b bar value will come. So generally, what is the expansion of a bar plus, sir, how you got idea a bar plus b bar whole square? So whenever sum of two vectors or difference of two vectors, modulus if they are asking, better to find square. Here already the information provided, no, mod a bar minus b bar. So that is the reason I am taking here mod a bar plus b bar whole square, whatever is required. So mod a bar square plus 2 into a bar dot b bar plus mod b bar square. This is the formula. So a value, b value, we know that. Mod a bar square means 11 square plus 2 into a bar dot b bar, dot product of two vectors, a bar mod into mod b bar into cos theta plus mod b value is 23 whole square. So 11 square 121 plus 2 into 11 into 23. This cos theta value we got it as minus 125 by 253 plus 23 square. So 121 minus into plus is minus, 2 into 125 minus 250, here 23 into 11 and 253 will be cancelled, plus 23 whole square, just now we discussed 529. So 529 plus, so 650 it will be there, minus 250, which is equal to 400. So mod a bar plus b bar whole square is equal to 400. That implies mod a bar plus b bar equal to root 400, means it will become 20. So therefore the value of mod a bar plus b bar is 20. I hope you understand it, students. We will move on to the next question. Before that, change it to the question. The next question is, if a bar equal to I minus j minus k and b equal to, that means b means b bar, 2i minus 3j plus k, then find, this is 2 marks important question, dear students, then find the projection vector of b bar on a bar and its magnitude. So to calculate the projection vector, we need to calculate dot product and their magnitudes. That is important, dear students. So first, given vectors. So A bar equal to I minus j minus k. Then mod A bar equal to, their magnitude also calculated, students. 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is equal to root 3. And B bar equal to 2i minus 3j plus k. Then B bar equal to mod B bar. Not required, but we need to. So 4 plus 9 plus 1, that is equal to root 14. Next, we need to calculate the dot product of two vectors A bar and B bar. So A bar dot B bar. I already said that formula, A1 B1 plus A2 B2 plus A3 B3. So 1 into 2, their I bar coefficients multiply. Next, J bar coefficients you have to multiply. Plus K bar coefficients you have to multiply. So which is equal to 2 plus 3 minus 1. That is equal to 4. A bar dot B bar value. Here the question is the projection vector. While writing only, observe carefully, dear students. The projection vector of B bar on A bar. On A bar is there, no? So, while writing the formula, observe carefully. The projection vector of B bar on A bar means first modulus not required. First dot product of two vectors you write it. That means A bar dot B bar. On A bar is there, no? On A bar means denominator A bar square into A bar. This is the formula for projection vector of B bar on A bar. Suppose the same question, projection vector of A bar on B bar means A bar dot B bar by mod B bar square into B bar, you write it, dear students. Projection vector of B bar on A bar is there, no? So denominator compulsory A bar square. On B bar is there means denominator B bar square into B bar will come. I hope you understand the difference. So A bar dot B bar value how much? It is 4 by mod A bar square value root 3 whole square into A bar vector I minus j minus k. So root 3 whole square is 3 only, no? So 4 by 3 I minus j minus k. And find its magnitude, they are asking. And find its magnitude of projection vector. So for that also formula is there. The magnitude of the projection vector equal to A bar dot B bar modulus by modulus of A bar. What is modulus of A bar dot B bar? We already got it, is as 4 by root mod A bar. Mod A bar value is what? Root 3. We got it here. Mod A bar value. So magnitude of projection vector of B bar on A bar means dot product of the two vectors by on A bar is there means mod A bar. I hope you understand. We will move on to the next question. If P comma Q comma R and S are points whose position vectors are I minus k minus I plus 2j 2I minus 3k and 3I minus 2j minus k respectively. Then find the component of RS on PQ. So component. So first what you have to do, the vector component, vector, this is a projection only, that also I will explain. First we need to calculate PQ and RS vectors. So how to do that? So the position vectors of the points, the position vectors of the points P, Q, R and S are position vector denoted by OP bar, OQ bar, like this. OP bar, I minus J, I minus K is given, no? I bar minus K bar. Next OQ, minus I plus 2J. Next OR, 2I minus 3K. And OS, 3I, better to write down, OS equal to 3I minus 2J minus K. Find the component of RS and PQ. So RS bar. So we need to calculate PQ first. PQ means OQ minus OP only. No? So OQ minus OP. So OQ vector is what? Minus I plus 2J minus I minus K. So minus I minus 2I, 2J plus 2J, minus into minus K plus K. So PQ vector. So for this magnitude also calculate, dear students. Equal to root over 2 square, 4 plus 4 plus 1, root 9, that is equal to 3. Next, RS vector also we need to calculate. So what is RS? OS minus OR. So what is OS? 3I minus 2J minus K minus OR 2I minus 3K. So 3I minus 2I is I minus 2J minus K plus 3K plus 2K. So for this also if you calculate magnitude, root over 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is equal to root 9, that is also equal to 3. But the question is here, the component of RS on PQ. Component. How to write component? Here, the component of the component of RS on PQ is first what you have to write is for PQ bar is there, no? On PQ bar it is saying the figure will come like this. This is PQ, RS. This is RS. The component of RS on PQ means this is the component. So along with this one unit vector it is traveling. So first unit vector in the direction of PQ, if you calculate in the direction of unit vector, later on RS and unit vector both you can calculate, is whenever like this the component, if they are asking, no, component of RS on PQ, here to avoid the confusion clearly I will explain, dear students. First what we have to do is we need to write like a projection, whatever it is we already done in the previous problem. RS dot PQ by PQ bar whole square into PQ. This is the way you can do this, students. It will come that answer. This is the easiest way we can. Now only magnitude, component means only magnitude, it won't come PQ bar. I hope you understand that. Component of RS on PQ means RS on PQ, special from here to here. So that time the dot product of these two by denominator square you should write. Denominator square. So that is equal to, so dot product I am writing, RS dot means RS vector is I minus 2j plus 2k dot PQ minus 2I plus 2j plus k by magnitude PQ whole square. So 3 square, magnitude of PQ whole square. Only PQ it is, only magnitude of only PQ, not PQ square, it is only PQ. PQ value is, we got it as 3 only, no? Indirectly they are asking the magnitude of, like previous problem, the magnitude of projection vector, it is there, no? But only. So I into minus 1 into minus 2, minus 2 into minus 4, plus 2. So these two will be cancelled by 3, which is equal to minus 4 by 3. So from this what we are observing, dear students, the component of RS on PQ means indirectly magnitude of RS on PQ. That only indirectly we can take it. No need of calculating unit vector in the textbook, it is given, no. We can't follow the textbook. We can simplify. That is the reason we will follow our channel. So slowly I am explaining about this. I hope you understand that. So component of one vector on another vector means the dot product of the two vectors on which vector it is there, the denominator you can write it. We'll move on to the next question, dear students. This is important for 2 marks. The question number 7, I am not writing the question numbers. If the vectors lambda I minus 3j plus 5k and 2 lambda I minus lambda j minus k are perpendicular, to each other, find lambda. So we know that the two vectors to be perpendicular, obviously their dot product goes to be 0. So that only I am going to apply, dear students. Given vectors, I am taking as one is a bar, another one is b bar. Let a bar is equal to lambda I minus 3j plus 5k, and let b bar is equal to second vector 2 lambda I minus lambda j minus k. Since the given vectors to be perpendicular, the given vectors perpendicular to each other, then a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. That is lambda I minus 3j plus 5k dot 2 lambda I minus lambda j minus k is equal to 0. So we know that the dot product of two vectors I bar coefficients have to multiply lambda into 2 lambda, so 2 lambda square, minus 3 into minus lambda, so plus 3 lambda, 5 into minus 1 minus 5 equal to 0. Factorization, we need to do that. So 2 lambda square, 5 2s are 10, no? So plus 5 lambda minus 2 lambda minus 5 equal to 0. From these two, lambda if we take out common, 2 lambda plus 5 minus 1 if we take out common, 2 lambda plus 5. So lambda 2 lambda plus 5 into lambda minus 1 equal to 0. So 2 lambda plus 5 equal to 0. That implies 2 lambda equal to minus 5. That implies lambda equal to minus 5 by 2. Next, lambda minus 1 equal to 0. That implies lambda is equal to 1. We got that values. They are asking to find the value of lambda. For what values of lambda, this two will be perpendicular. So we got lambda values. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move on to the next question. Now question number 8. If a bar equal to 2i plus 3j plus k, b bar equal to 4i plus j, and c bar equal to I minus 3j minus 7k. Find the vector r bar such that r bar dot a bar equal to 9 and r bar dot b bar equal to 7 and r bar dot c bar equal to 6. So such an easy question based on dot product. So first what we have to do, they are asking find r bar vector, na? So let r bar equal to xi plus yj plus zk and given vectors. So a bar equal to 2i plus 3j plus k, b bar equal to 4i plus j, and c bar equal to I minus 3j minus 7k. Now r bar dot a bar equal to 9. That implies r bar vector what? Xi plus yj plus zk dot a bar value 2i plus 3j plus k is equal to 9. So by using dot product, x into 2, so 2x, y into 3, so 3y, plus z into 1 is equal to 9. Keep that equation number 1. Similarly, r bar dot b bar is equal to how much? It is 7. Therefore, xi plus yj plus zk dot b bar vector 4i plus j is equal to 7. That implies 4x plus y is equal to z into here, j bar is not there, means leave it, equal to 7, equal to equation number 2. Next, r bar dot c bar is equal to 6. So xi plus yj plus zk dot c bar vector I minus 3j minus 7k is equal to 6. That implies x into 1 plus y into minus 3y plus z into minus 7z is equal to 6. Equation number 3. On solving, here students, solving 1 and 3. So 2x plus 3y plus z equal to 9. X minus 3y minus 7z is equal to 6. Just I am adding these two. So 3x minus 6z is equal to 15. So x minus 2z equal to 5. Equation number 4. Similarly, here I eliminated y value now. So in other equations also, if we eliminate y, in terms of x and z will come now. So better to solve 1 and 2. So equation 1 and equation 2 if you solve now. So this equation 2 multiplying by 3, then it will come. Equation 1, solving 1 and 2. Equation 1 as it is, 2x plus 3y plus z is equal to 9. Equation 2 multiplying by 3, so you will get 3 4s are 12x, next plus 3y, there is no z term here, so 3 into 7, 21. So now solving, subtracting, minus plus 3y minus 3y get cancelled, minus 12x plus 2x is minus 10x, minus 21 plus 9, so minus 12 will come. So minus 10x plus z is there, dear students, I forgot to write it. Minus 10x plus z is equal to minus 12. Minus 10x. Equation number 5. Solving 4 and 5. Solving equations is your wish, dear students. That is in textbook they won't give like this. According to your convenience, you can do that. So what I am doing is equation 5 multiplying by 2, equation 4 as it is I am writing. Otherwise, equation 4 multiplying by 10, so 10x minus 20z is equal to, multiplying by 10, no, 10 5s are 50. So next equation 5 as it is, equation 5 into 1, so minus 10x plus z equal to minus 12. We are adding both the equations. Minus 19z is equal to 38. So z value 19 2s are, so minus is there, minus 2. Z value minus 2. So z value minus 2 substitute in (5) minus 10x minus 2 equal to minus 12, minus 10x equal to minus 10 will come, x is equal to 1. So whenever x value we got it now, we need to calculate y value. So x is equal to 1, substitute in equation 2. You will get 4 into 1, so 4 plus y equal to 7. So y is equal to 7 minus 4, 3. So therefore the values of x, y, z is there now. Therefore r value, r bar equal to xi plus yj plus zk is equal to 1 into I, y value, plus 3 into j minus 2 into k. This is the required vector. I hope everyone understand that. The next question, show that the points 2i minus j plus k, I minus 3j minus 5k and 3i minus 4j minus 4k are the vertices of a right angle triangle. We need to calculate the points is given. So here let us consider given points. One I am taking A equal to, points means here position vectors. You remember, dear students, in the vectors OA bar 2i minus o minus j plus k. Second point means OB bar equal to I minus 3j minus 5k and OC equal to 3I minus 4j minus 4k. But these are the points. But to prove the given points forms right angle triangle, we need to find the sides. So AB side. AB side means what? OB minus OA. Directly I am substituting these students, subtracting. I minus 2I means minus I. Minus 3j plus j, so minus 2j. Next minus 5k minus k, minus 6k. So this magnitude also calculate, dear students. AB bar equal to root over 1 plus 4 plus 36. So root 41. Keep it like this. Next after AB, BC bar equal to OC minus OB. 3I minus I. So 2I. Minus 4j plus 3j. So minus j. Minus 4k plus 5k plus 5k. Whose magnitude also calculate. Mod BC bar equal to root over 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to root 6. Next CA. CA bar or AC bar. CA means OA minus OC. OA minus OC means 2I minus 3I, so minus I. Minus j plus, so plus 3j. Next k minus of minus plus 5k. So whose magnitude also mod CA bar equal to root of 1 plus 9 plus 25. So root 35. From this we observe clearly they are asking to prove right angle triangle. From observation only we can take it. Now mod BC square plus mod CA square. So root 6 whole square plus root 35 whole square. 6 plus 35, that is equal to 41. 41 can be expressed as root 41 whole square only. What is root 41? Root 41 is AB. So AB square. So therefore BC square plus CA square is equal to AB square. In this common C is there, no? So that implies the triangle ABC is right angled. How to calculate? C is common, no? Right angled. Just for understanding purpose. Right angled triangle at C. So that is angle C is equal to 90 degrees. So not only they are asking to prove right angle triangle at that. So here C value we got it. Here C is equal to 90. They are asking to find A value and B value also. So A is angle between AB bar and AC bar. So cos A equal to. So cos A equal to, from the figure, cos A, angle between AC and AB. So dot product of AC and AB by mod AC into mod AB. So what is AC and AB? AC value minus I plus 3 plus 5. Minus I plus 3j AB. AB means minus I minus 2j minus 6k minus their AC means root 25 plus 4 29 plus 1 sorry root 35 root 36 plus 440 plus 141. So that is equal to, even here also we can calculate 1 minus 6 minus 30 by root 35 into root 41. So minus 35, it in modulus we can take it now. So 35 by root 35 into root 41. So root 35 times cancel. So that is equal to root 35 by 41. So therefore cos A equal to, in your textbook this much clear information is not given, dear students. So from that A equal to cos inverse of root 35 by 41. I have busy schedule, dear students, but still one of our students requested to make this video. That is the reason. In the coming days I will make it, but minimum 15 days. If you tell, if you required any videos related Maths-A, Maths-B, Maths-2A, Maths-2B, please minimum 15 days before, if you give the information to do that videos, I will make it, dear students. Next, B is the angle between, here angle between BC and AB. BC and AB. So cos B equal to, directly I am writing, BC and AB means BC bar dot AB bar by magnitude of BC and magnitude of AB. So dot product of BC and AB. BC bar, what we got it here, BC 2I minus j plus k. 2I minus j plus k dot AB. AB all minus only, no? AB we got it minus I minus 2j minus 6k. Minus I minus 2j minus 6k by their magnitude. BC magnitude is root 4 plus 1 plus 1, root 6 will come. This is obviously root 41. So dot product of these two, if you calculate, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, within modulus you can take it, dear students, like previous problem, plus 2 minus 6 by root 6 into root 41. So 6 by root 6 into root 41. So root 6 times it will be cancelled. So cos B equal to root 6 by root 41, which is equal to root 6 by 41. Therefore B is equal to cos inverse of root 6 by 41. So other angles also we got it. Angle A is this one, angle B is this one, angle C we got it already, 90 degrees, hence proved. The next question. Next is important for 4 marks, but 7 marks it is the same question in the Maths-1B. The question number 10 it is, prove that the angle between, even if you go to 3-dimensional geometry, direction cosines and direction ratios, this answer is given, dear students. Whatever I am explaining this question, go to that 7 marks question, I explained in that 3-dimensional geometry, this is DS. Prove that the angle theta between any two diagonals of a cube is given by cos theta equal to 1 by 3. So here they did not mention any vertices and all. Consider a unit cube without loss of generality. Consider a unit cube. Why we are taking unit cube means easy to calculate, dear students. Unit cube. Consider unit cube. Y means with vertices. See how I am going to write the vertices. Observe carefully. So first you draw like this. After that you join like this. After that little extension you can take it. X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis. This is the origin. See how we are going to write the vertices easy way. So this is on x-axis A point, on y-axis B point, on z-axis C point. A, B, C. Now this is in anti-clockwise, now clockwise direction. Here D, E, F, and this is point P. It is in the space. I hope you understand. Now I am taking the diagonals of any two diagonals they are saying. No? One I am taking easy diagonals OP. Another set is either BE or AF. So this angle is theta, angle between them. How to plot the points? So this is only important thing. We consider unit cube now. From origin to A, one unit is there. On x-axis, only x coordinate will be there. Y and z coordinate will be 0. What about B coordinates? On y-axis, y coordinate except the remaining will be zeros. 0, 1, 1. Next, C point on z-axis only z value will be there. So x value, y value will be 0 and z value is 1. D, it is in the xy plane, z is not there here. So xy plane means x value, y value will be there, z value 0. E point, it is belongs to xz plane. X means x value, y value 0 and z value 1. F value, F it is there in the yz plane, so x is 0. But P is all, that means it is in the space, it has all the directions. Origin means obviously 0, 0, 0. So with vertices, whatever I wrote here, these points again you have to write it. With vertices A1, 0, 0, B, 0, 1, 0, C, 0, 0, 1, and D, 1, 1, 0, E, 1, 0, 1, F, 0, 1, 1. After that, P, it is in the space 1, 1, 1, and origin, center, indirectly center it is. After considering a unit cube, next the two diagonals of a cube, the two diagonals of a cube are, from figure what we have taken, OP and BE. OP and BE. So OP bar vector, OP bar equal to, so they are position vectors only, no? These points are position vectors. So P minus O, I bar plus J bar plus K bar. So B bar means E minus B you can do, dear students. E bar minus E minus B. E point is what? E minus B is 1 minus 0. 0 minus 1. So minus J bar. How it will be minus? Observe carefully. BE means direction ratios will know. E minus B we can do. E point minus B point. 1 minus 0 I bar. 0 minus 1 1. Next 1 minus 1 0. So here B means only 1 minus 0 plus K bar. BE means E minus B. 1 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 1 minus 0. So after that these magnitudes also we can calculate. Mod OP bar is equal to root of 1 plus 1 plus 1 mod BE. Still anyone not able to understand what is BE means? OE minus OB. OE means E point, OB means B point. E minus B you do that, 1 minus 0, so 1. 0 minus 1, that's why minus J we wrote here. 1 minus 0, so 1. So root of 1 plus 1 plus 1. Let theta be the angle between OP and BE diagonals. Then cos theta equal to OP dot BE divided by mod OP into mod BE. So OP bar I plus J plus K dot I minus J plus K by root 3 into root 3. So numerator I bar dot I bar is 1, J bar dot minus J bar is minus 1 plus 1 into 1 by root 3 into root 3 is 3. Cancel. So 1 by 3. So cos theta equal to 1 by 3. That only they are asking to prove now. Hence proved. Dear students, till 10 questions I explained. The other questions I will make another video for your convenience. This is video number 1. It is product of vectors examples before exercise 5A. I'm going to stop now. Thank you all for watching. If you like this video, please share to your friends. Otherwise, no need. Thank you all.